Go.
Aww. Okay. So, well, first of all, welcome back to Christian Medina Vlogs.
Hello.
We're here. We got out of school early and we're here. Where are we?
We're like in the middle of nowhere. I don't know where we are, but we're 25 minutes away from home. And I've never been here. She's never been here.
But I told you to come here. Because there's like a little body of water. I remember like 4 years ago I came by here and there was like a little body of water that I saw and it was super cool. And there's like a little village and like with like little stores and all that. With like nature stuff and all. Which is a little more further down I think because that's what you saw.
On the maps.
And we stopped here. We turned around because we saw some horses. I wanted to go see them. So
yeah, but if
we're debating right now because there's like some people up there. And Chris, our car started beeping and
they noticed
people
us.
Live up there and they noticed us since our car started beeping and the little horses.
But this is the place. Like this is the forest area, I guess you guys can say.
It's really pretty.
It's like all this. But yeah, we're gonna go to the little horses right now, and this is my beautiful fiance. Say hi. Hi. And we'll get back to you soon. Bye bye.
We'll get back to you soon.
Look at this nice ass.
Hey.
Hi little donkey.
Hi.
Why are you scared of a donkey? Here, give him some lettuce.
He's gonna spit on you.
There you go. You feed him now.
I'm scared.
Come, don't be scared. He's not gonna jump over the fence.
Don't bite me. You want some food?
He's like, yeah.
¿Quieres comida?
Perdón. Yay!
Do you want some?
Oh, hello.
Oh, kitty. What if it spits at me?
This is a horse and that's like a pony. No, this is the man. Oh God. Be careful. Is it camote or?
No sé.
I think they're all girls.
Yeah.
You guys are really beautiful. I want to touch your head.
I like the donkey. Okay, here. Pet it.
Alright. Promise you won't bite me?
Did you see it? Who was that? What the hell?
I'll bite you.
Let her smell you.
Okay.
Did you see that?
Okay.
She got scared.
Yeah, the guys, these are
Oh my gosh.
What?
She's staring.
These are the little donkeys and horses and stuff.
Pet the little tummy on this one. Oh.
Bye.
I've been running low, I've been taking my time. I feel like I'm out of my mind. I feel like my life ain't mine. Who can relate? Woo! I've been running low, I've been taking my time. I feel like I'm out of my mind. I feel like my life ain't mine. I don't wanna be alive. I don't wanna keep 1 mile. The person I wrote this for. And together we will overcome this feeling. We will remember despite the attacks and constant feeling of our mind and body being on the edge that we are alive. In any moments we have free of this feeling we will not take for granted. We will rejoice in this gift that is life. We will rejoice in this day that we have been given. We will accept our anxiety and strive for the betterment of ourselves.
So, it turns out I have to pee really bad. Okay, I'm back.
So yeah, we're gonna take a little pee, and I don't think we should record it, so we'll catch you guys later.
It's so gorgeous.
So we're currently in here, and I don't know if my baby got a weird vibe, but I'm getting like a really cold feeling in here. It's kind of creepy, but it's kind of cool at the same time. But it's, oh my god, you feel the coldness?
Stop!
50 bands later, you the one I want. 100 bands later, you the one I want. 150 bands later.
No. Careful.
Are we gonna go through the bridge?
No.
How do you all the same boat?
Well, I've seen it on a lot of people's stories, and I was just like, I want to come here too one day.
Oh my god, it's so gorgeous.
This is the spot, peoples. We made it. Ready for a montage? Currently, guys, we're just enjoying this beautiful view. The water sounds perfect, right, amor? This is my first time here. I found it first try, and just amazing. So we just got here to Fairfax. First time being here with my baby, and we're gonna go have some ice cream, hopefully, right, baby?
Thank you.
Okay. Next.
Look at some ice cream places around.
I think it's over there.
Is it?
Yeah, because we saw the woman. Remember walking with like
ice cream?
Yeah.
Mira, perrito.
Hi, perro. Oh, sí, listen. Hi, perro. They speak Spanish. Oh, right here. Scoop. Guys, if you guys have a girl, just take her anywhere. I just saw this place and I was like, I'm gonna have some ice cream with my baby. First time trying it. It's Fairfax Scoop, and we'll see you guys soon, alright? Oh.
Out of business, everything sell 50% off.
So we are, hold on, let it focus. We just got some ice cream. I got mint chocolate and my baby got vainilla. And now we're just chilling. We're just gonna chill. Right, amor? Eat our little ice cream.
There's like a barber shop there.
Wait, flip it open.
Thank you, Baba.
You're welcome, babe. And oh, let it focus.
Focus.
Alright, we're gonna enjoy our, it's pretty good. Good ice cream.
And they make it here, I think.
Yeah, it's homemade. So we'll get back to you guys in a little bit after I kill it, okay? Bye, YouTube.